Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a data-driven sales strategy with Google Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a data-driven sales strategy using Google Analytics, start by setting clear objectives for your sales goals. Identify key performance indicators that align with your business objectives. Sign up for a Google Analytics account if you haven't already. Once registered, install Google Analytics tracking code on your website. Verify that the tracking code is functioning properly to ensure data accuracy. Set up goals within Google Analytics that correlate to your sales processes. These goals might include completed purchases, newsletter signups, or filled contact forms. Utilize the e-commerce features in Google Analytics if your business involves online sales. This will provide in-depth reports on revenue, conversion rates, and average order value. Segment your audience to understand different user behaviors. Look into demographics, interests, and geographic locations to create detailed profiles of your customers. Explore the acquisition report to see where your traffic is coming from. Identify which channels, such as social media or search engines, drive the most sales. Analyze user behavior by tracking the behavior flow in Google Analytics. This helps you understand how visitors navigate your site and where they drop off. Utilize that attribution model to understand the impact of different marketing efforts on sales. This can help you allocate resources more effectively. Regularly generate reports to review your sales performance over time. Focus on trends and patterns that can inform future marketing campaigns. Create custom dashboards in Google Analytics to visualize your key metrics. This will facilitate a quicker understanding of performance at a glance. Test different strategies based on your findings, such as changing landing pages or adjusting ad spend. Consider A/B testing to evaluate the effectiveness of various approaches. Review and adjust your strategies periodically, as market conditions and consumer preferences. Collaborate with your sales team to align findings from Google Analytics with on-the-ground insights. Engage in regular discussions about data trends and potential adjustments in strategy. Ultimately, a successful data-driven sales strategy requires continuous optimization based on analytics insights. Always prioritize data accuracy and relevance to drive informed decisions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.